Ready to turn your 4th through 6th grade students into the next generation of AI innovators? This dynamic STEAM curriculum from PCS Edventures immerses learners in the exciting world of artificial intelligence and innovation. Through engaging lessons, students will master foundational AI concepts and sharpen critical skills like creativity and problem solving. They'll gain essential technological literacy skills, meet real-world high-tech problem solvers, and get hands-on practice with generative AI tools. Students explore their individual passions and talents to uncover their own innovator profiles. By meeting real-world innovators who use AI creatively, they gain a broader perspective on the diverse ways this technology can solve modern challenges. Through a combination of technical training with Canva's generative AI tools and hands-on, unplugged activities, learners build the expertise needed to use AI both productively and safely. This educational journey leads to a final project where students apply their new skills to address real-world problems. By turning creative ideas into tech-driven solutions, students cultivate the essential abilities required to become future leaders in innovation. Each STEAM enrichment program comes with 12 one-hour lessons and materials for up to 30 learners. Inside the box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum, lesson slides, tutorial videos, and more. Your AI Innovators program includes reusable storage, a comprehensive instructor guide, printed student journals, activity cards, posters, pencils, and sharpeners. The instructor guide makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Aligned with ISTE standards, National Core Arts standards, Common Core State standards, as well as the Habit of the Mind and 21st Century Skills frameworks, AI Innovators builds future-ready learners through fun, approachable, and age-appropriate activities. Bring AI Innovators to your classroom today. Visit adventures.com to download a free curriculum sample or set up a call with one of our STEM program experts to learn more.